Hello, everybody. Margot,
Yes.
come on, let's do another one. What we are going to do today?
A cute duck like the movie.
Oh, that movie. Okay, I got you. Okay, so let's start immediately. As usually, when we go with something cute, we are going to have a big head, probably. So let's take it from there. So let's start with a head, and we could have something like this, and as usual, because it has to be cute, a chick. And then we can have, I don't know, a little bit of, on the head, just to be like mess the hair. And let's go to close the head like that. Perfect. Now that the head is done, I would say we could shape a little bit the body on the front like that, and we can have it like, I don't know, in the water or something. But before the water, we can do the wing like that, and then we have the tail, like, a little bit angled like that, and then we go down, and here we can have a little bit of water, so we have it like she or he is floating. She, okay. Oh yeah, because in the movie it's a she as well. Yes. So now let's go for the face. I would say we can have the beak to be something like that, and we can close it this way, and then we have like she's smiling, so that, and the tongue, and we make it to be black in here, and we do a little thing here because of the nose, and now the eyes. The eyes could be, let's do it differently this time. We do a big one here, and another big one here, and we make her to look to the camera like that, and as usual, one reflection here, one reflection in here, and we make it black in the middle. And now let's put sort of eyebrows, and as usual, oh, this is a she, so we can put the eyelashes. What do you think?
Yeah.
Like
Looks
that?
just like in the movie.
I wish.
Well, they do have small. They're very small, so you can't quite see them, right?
Yeah, that's true. It's more of a chick.
Yeah.
So the only thing missing, as usual, is the cheeks that we do with the pink, and let's do the lines, having it even cuter. Margot, what do you think? I think that you need a hug. So, guys, if you like it, please try to do it yourself, and we see each other
And the next one.
and next one. Yeah, exactly. Bye.
Bye.